Hello, my name is Sailesh. I'm an artist, painter. So there is a place called Cholamandal Artist Village in Chennai. Way they work, how they promote themselves, and how they project themselves as as an artist. I wanted to become a painter, and I wanted to pursue my career as a painter. I thought this is the place where I should sit and create my work and think. I just started doing bronze casting, so that I wanted to do a three-dimensional sculpture, which I cannot do it on my canvas or on my paper. Then I found this particular wood. This is called pine wood. Whatever I carve it, after 10 years what happened is the carving is become softer. We normally keep all this Ganesha and we'll bring it from the market and we'll keep the Ganesha. Finally we'll dip into the water. The same thing in Bengal, Durga, they'll make a Durga and they will dip into the water end of the day. So I thought, which I am also very close to our tradition, so whatever I sculpt it, which is not there permanently at all. It goes to the future, only the documentation, not exactly the same, the way I did the sculpture.